Hello, today I'm gonna try this iFix a clamp tool that will remove any iPhone glasses. So let's try with this iPhone XR. First, remove the screws. We need to heat it up for a second. It looks good. It has here, you lock it and unlock it. Okay, after we heat, let's remove the screen protector. First, you just push it like this and it's unlocked, and then you lock it like this, and then you try to turn it. Nah. Okay, I think you push against it, so you make sure it's very tight from both ways, and then you go up. One. Okay, you see? Nice. It's going out. Wow. All right, let's try again. Very promising. Yeah, I can see it. You need to help it out a little bit. Nice. So basically it works. It will help you out. Let's try it again. You just press it, lock it, and boom. You see? That's all you need. You don't need it to remove all the end. Then you bring a pry tool and boom. So I would recommend it. It's only like $40 with shipping. So it's not bad for iPhone. I tried it with iPhone 13, 14, and it works perfect without breaking any screen. Thanks for watching.